Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in today's little short video, I'm going to show you how to make and sell printable Valentine's Day and couples-centric activity printables. Okay, now what are these types of games? Basically, it's a really cool way for couples or older couples to reignite their passion and love. So a lot of people think that the Valentine's Day market is only from January 1st, to February 14th, but actually the couples market is year round. There are people trying to find different ways to communicate with each other, and that's what we're going to provide for them. Okay, now again, lots of overlap. Okay, but like I said a second ago, the couples market is year round. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna break it down for you how to create these types of printables, what types of printables do well in this market, and I'm gonna expose some of the search terms people are looking for when searching for couples and Valentine's Day activities. So with that out of the way, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section, and let's begin. Okay, so before we begin, there's some important points to understand here when you're talking about the Valentine's niche, the couples niche, and for that matter, the bridal niche. There's a lot of crossover. Now, as you can imagine, the Valentine's, well, actually, let me go to my niche level keyword tool within Crispy Prints. If you don't have Crispy Prints, feel free to follow along with Google Trends, okay? Google Trends is free. The Crispy Prints niche level tool is more of a buyer's market type of tool, but don't worry about that. Okay, back to the topic. So yeah, Valentine's, as you can imagine, is only it's a seasonal type of keyword term that pops up between January to February 14th, whereas bridal and couples is year round. Okay, so when you always start. If you want to start selling something online, be it your own product, someone else's product, whatever the case is, you want to make sure there is a decent amount of interest online for that type of product. And you also want to make sure that there's a healthy amount of keyword diversity, okay? So you can go at it at different angles, okay? So if I put in Valentine's game, as you can see here, it's more tailored to the kids. Oh, we have Valentine's games for couples. Okay. But again, this is a very seasonal type of thing. And there's nothing wrong with going after seasonal type of keywords because after all, let me put that in here as well. After all, it does pop up eventually every year. Okay. But if I were you, I'd focus on, for example, couples games. As you can see, there's a lot of different keywords that we can use here. Sexy couples games naughty, couples games funny, couples games for adults. There's a lot of different ways you can go after this. Couples activities. Couples activities date night. Again, really cool, really fun stuff. A really nice way, a really nice printable market, in my opinion, okay? Again, you can verify that with Google Trends. Okay, so what can we do here? Well, within Crispy Prints, I have a couples bundle. Okay, it has a lot of couple-minded or couple-centric type of activities, also date night type of activities that you can do within, with not only one couple but several couples. Okay, so the bottom six. These are dice games, and this is more of a just for a couple, okay? Whereas the top four you can do with other people, okay? Which is really cool. Now, you can of course create this for free on Canva, okay? You got to fill out the games here, create the games yourself. What I'm going to show you right now is how to create the template. If I go right here, click on Grab Template here, you'll see that the template is it has these parameters, it has these boundaries, I should say, and I have room for a character. That's what I'm gonna do right here, okay? Now, if I go to couples games for married couples or couples games, you'll see that there is a market for people who are buying this type of product online, as these types of printables have a minimalist aesthetic to them. Very simple to look at. I mean, very simple. Not much going on here in the terms of design. Same with this one here. Okay, we have bridal shower games. Again, a lot of crossover with couples. And as you can see, there's a lot of other types of games here that people can play together and have fun with, okay? So I want to keep mine more adult orientated, and I want to keep mine simple. So as you can see here, I have this very simple pattern in the back, very light, and I have this character right here towards the bottom right, okay, corner. Okay, now again, I don't like to put color inside of the game, because a lot of the times, it costs money. Printing out. Think of your customer. Think of he or she printing out these games and color. It's going to cost them to get a new set of inkjets and whatnot. You don't want to burden them with more costs. So I like to keep the inside white. Okay. So I'm going to show you right quick how to create this little template. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is, of course, use my template background here. And first thing I want to do after that is lay over my pattern. So I have my pattern right over here. I'm going to stretch it out so it hits all the corners. Okay. And my pattern size is, my dimensions are 1063 pixels by 375 pixels. Okay. Very simple. I'm going to position that to the back. Let me detach image from the background. Let me lay over that pattern, and I want to make sure that the background template I can use to let me know, to eyeball where things should go. Okay, so here we have the background and the open space right here. I'm going to add my Cupid here. As you can see, this is not the cherub type of Cupid. This is more of a Greek god type of Cupid situation going on here. And what I want to do now is add a white background to the back here. So I'm going to go to the Elements section, click on the square here. You can type in square and it should pop up right here. Now the cool thing about the square is you can actually configure the shape to any type of rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to make sure that it hits all of the inside borders like that. Okay, and I'm going to make this white, and I'm going to right click that and send backwards so that my Cupid shows up, and that's it. Okay, that's my my template. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to download it. Download this. I want to download as PNG. Again, make sure that the file size is what Crispy Prints wants. We have here 1063 by 375. Again, just confirming that for you. Okay, and I'm gonna click download, and I'm gonna just get that first template going. Okay, so once that's downloaded as an image, okay, really important, I'm going to use it. Excuse me. Let's go to download section here. It should show up here. Okay, here it is. I'm going to drag it on over and drop it in here. Okay. Now, there aren't any answer keys because these games and the answers really depend on the couples that are playing it. So there aren't any answer keys. Answer keys are not required, I should say. Okay, and I can change the header color. I'm gonna make it more of a dark red. Okay, and I'm gonna actually just give you an example. So I'm gonna go with couples drinks, couples mind meld, and couples dice. You can actually create dice for your printable bundle within Crispy Prints, so they can again add more value to your end product. And then I'm going to click create bundle. Okay, I'm gonna let Crispy Prints do its thing. Yeah, so here's the end result. We have a couples bundle here. The top 3 that I got here, this is a drinking game for a couple, right? So person to the left takes a drink. Let's scroll down here. Give someone a drink. Everyone takes a drink. We have a free association couples game. One person in the couple will say the word, and the other person in the couple has to think of the first thing that comes to mind when they hear that word. So for example, pretty woman, for example, right? Flower, and they might think Bambi or something, who knows, okay? So the couple that has the most matches wins the game. That's how this is played. And in this love potion number 1, this is more of an intimate game between 2 people in a couple, right? So they roll, and the person that gets a 1 has to fulfill one of these activities. You know, again, all of these games, all of these types of activities are based off of what people are already buying online. I make sure that that's the number 1 criteria, based on what people are searching for and based on what people are already buying. Really important to understand. Again, you can do this with your Canva account. Okay, it just takes a lot of time. That's all. And I gave you a ton of keywords you can go after. Valentine's games for couples. Let's go back up here to the niche level. You can also do bridal. There's again a lot of crossover with bridal games, and so forth. Okay. I hope you understood what I was talking about here. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos like this. Be good, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.